Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC has urged authorities to ensure justice for Chesam Abdul Kadir, a differently abled individual who was found dead today. Speaking at the press conference held at Congress Bhavan at the BT Road today, General Secretary of MPCC and PCC member W. Samjoy expressed deep sorrow over the tragic discovery of Chesam Abdul Kadir, who had been missing for several days, buried at the riverside at Samuro Naurim Lekai today morning. He called on the Home Department to take swift action while questioning on how the department could effectively safeguard the state's citizens if it remained silent on such a serious case. Samjoy further warned that such incidents will occur in the future if the authority fail to take action regarding the case. He maintained that such incident can create animosity among the communities.
Assume neglect of Masiki negligence sum the iragati, Masagi, Matang, Masagi, Hanjan Namakata, Batolpa Yabagi, Adumba, Masagi, Madamama, Guinea have a say Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee now. Kanjabani, the Paka Shida, Pung later, the Bawaka later, the village was said at Masi, assume Mamatik Jabat and the Pidana, Makoibu, Atumatamda, Sagi, Makoida, Hangada, but than the dog. Angal Vidana, yung Manumamadi, Lariba Lepak, Pagapuna Maxi Handana, Santi Purpada, Pasagi, Home Department, so what of them, no view have a issue, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee in Malto.
Social Development Club Samurao also condemned the death of Chesam Abdul Kadir of Paubitek Mayalekai. In the press release, the club highlighted that the women folk of Samurao staged a protest against the killing of Chesam Abdul Kadir today. They also urged the authority to take swift action against individuals involved in the case, which can create animosity between the two communities. Social Development Club also said that the involved individuals should apologize to the people of Samuro Naurim. United Meitei Pangal Committee ensured UMPC Manipur strongly condemned the death of Chesam Abdul Kadir as well. In the press release, UMPC stated that killing an individual with intellectual disability is an act of violating human rights. The committee urged the relevant authority to take swift action against the involved individuals and provide justice to the victim. They also demanded the government to compensate the deceased family.